Alright guys, get ready for the tutorial. For in the beginning, we're going to start by going up. We're going to step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to swing out our right leg, then swing out our left leg, push 2, 2, then we're going to go out 1, then step back 2. After that, you're going to go 1, 2, push, push. Right hand first and left hand. Then we're going to go back 2, 3, 4. Throw it up. Now we're going to turn around, full 360. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go to our right, push 1, then our left here. We're going to go crazy. And after that, we're going to go roll, clap, and Dougie 1, Dougie 2. Let's do that one more time. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, crazy, roll, then clap, Dougie 1 and 2. And that's how you guys got it. Now you guys do it.